Dito kami ni Grace. First jigging session namin sa taon. Si Ate Grace, oh. Napagod.
Let's get it on!
Yan yung bangka natin, guys. Kita nyo, guys. Medyo high tide pa. At kain na muna namin yung bangka.
It's a good morning! Medyo wavy. At saka may konting hangin. But, you know. Yan si Boss H, oh. Lumalaban sa buhay. Kahapon, 0 sa guys. Tingnan natin sa ngayon for today's video.
Drop ka.
Yeah, dropping 120 grams. Lure.
Okay, one mali. Sige, agat mo na. Ulam natin na yan. Guys, grabe guys. The retired angler is now back. Ano ba yan? Agabay. Ano? Takilid. Takilid. Grabe bay. Sige bay, catch and release.
Release ko?